Welcome to the wonderful world of kitchen tongs, an unsung hero in the culinary landscape. First up, the classic scissor tongs, a staple in every kitchen. Their simplicity and versatility are unmatched. Then we have the silicone saviors, non-scratch tongs. Silicone tips ensure your pan stays scratch-free. Next in line, the lock and load tongs. These tongs come with a locking mechanism, making storage a breeze. And let's not forget the salad soiree tongs, the perfect companions for a healthy salad toss. Now, onto the anatomy of the perfect tong. Material matters. Choose between stainless steel for durability or silicone for flexibility. Size does matter too. From short, medium to long, choose the right length according to your cooking needs. Lastly, the ergonomics of tongs. A good grip can prevent slips, making your cooking process smoother and safer. That's the world of kitchen tongs in a nutshell. Remember, the right tools can elevate your cooking experience. Choose wisely and happy cooking.